Agar I have a question before you get in there.
Hashtag ask हाँ जी.
Question मेरा ये है कि आप, you being a vice chairman of DP World, other than cricket, what are the plans in Pakistan for DP World?
Okay, so corporate question has been thrown at me. Yeah. So Wasim, we've already done the Champions Trophy in Pakistan with the ICC partnership and everything. आपने हमारे साथ container भी गए थे, Beyond Boundaries initiative भी गए थे. But other than that, on the opening day, the first show, I also mentioned that DP World is heavily investing in Pakistan. We've signed a very big joint venture with NLC, one of the biggest companies of Pakistan, for inland logistics, and beyond that, all the way to Central Asian republics. We have already built 3 fantastic basic logistics parks, which have huge warehousing, climate control, automation, the works, creating thousands of new jobs. We are creating a fleet of absolutely new trucks that can actually take cargo from Karachi all the way to Central Asian republics, again creating thousands of new jobs, and a few $100 million in, and a lot more investments that are going in. Karachi mein, because you're a Karachiite, you understand that we have that huge congestion problem with the trucks that are coming in and out of KPT. So we've just signed a contract with NLC and Pakistan Railway as JV partners between us and NLC with Pakistan Railway to actually decongest the city of Karachi and to move all that cargo that is being moved with trucks right now on train, so that the truck congestion inside the city, carbon footprint, pollution and everything can be reduced, and we can take all that cargo outside and move that. So there are a lot of initiatives, and then of course we've already announced our arrival into Pakistan with the DP World cricket sponsorship, and then of course the DP World golf tour that happens around the world. So there'll be a lot more things happening in Pakistan in that front. But I thank you. I'm glad that I get to share all of that. Hassan Zaidi Qureshi का hashtag Ask Room Instagram पे सवाल आया है, क्या बवूमा का हाथ फ्रिज के ऊपर पड़ी चीजों तक चला जाता होगा? On a serious note, if the ball is above the waist and ball hits the wickets, would that be a no ball or out? Guys, what is the rule?
If you remember, सचिन ने एक दफा डक किया था ग्लेन मैकग्रा को, और वो पूरा डक किया विकेटों के आगे. सचिन को यहाँ बॉल लगा तो अंपायर ने आउट दिया था, बट मेरा नहीं ख्याल वो आउट था, बट दे दिया था. वो स्टीव बकनर, तब तक वो अंधा हो चुका हुआ था.
Daryl Harper, I think, was the umpire. Yeah.
Daryl Harper था. Yes, ये एंड में आके ना ये स्टीव बकनर वगैरह काफी बूढ़े हो गए होते बेचारे.
मोहम्मद हारिस का सवाल है, thank you so much for bringing the show approximately after 1.5 years. Enjoyed it a lot. A little off topic, but what are the plans for PSL coverage? DP World dressing room or the iconic pavilion show? Well, Haris, that is a surprise that will be unveiled in due course of time. At this time and stage, no comments. No comments, right? We say no comments on that.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਵਾਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਜੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ?
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਵਾਬ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਸ਼ੀਅਨ ਮੰਗੇ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. No comments.
No comments.
ਸਵਾਲ ਵੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਪੜਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ. ਫਿਰ no comments.
That's me being you.
Yeah.
When we ask you questions and you're being a diplomat all the time, okay? I'm learning. ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਭਾਈਜਾਨ ਨੇ, ਖਰਬੂਜ਼ੇ को देख के ना
ऐसे ਤੇ ਦੁਆਨਾ ਪੜ ਰਿਹਾ.
Hilarious. अच्छा जनाब जी, अथर पुनानी साहब का सवाल है. All right, boys, serious time. अथर पुनानी साहब, आपका सवाल है. There is a serious question. What have the cricketers of 90s done for Pakistan team? Today's performances reflect poorly on our 90s cricketers' ability to help youngsters in our country. Also, it has been very disappointing that this show looks like an Indian show rather than a Pakistani show. You've been talking about India, praising their team, but not Pakistan. Why? Why, boys? Why? Answer me that question, why?
Who is the gentleman?
Athar Pulani.
अथर साहब, अगर पाकिस्तान अच्छा करेगा तो उसका बोलेंगे. अगर कहते हैं तो हम रैंडमली पाकिस्तान की तारीफ कर देते हैं इन चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी. बट मुझे रिटायर हुए 30 साल हो गए. अब मैं आई हैव नथिंग. पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम से मेरा कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. आई विश देम लक ऑल द टाइम. पाकिस्तान जीतता है तो मुझे, आप लोगों को, हर पाकिस्तानी को खुशी होती है. वी फील प्राउड ऑफ इट. जब वो बुरा करेंगे तो फिर उनका नाम हम कैसे दरमियान में ले आए? इंडिया जीता है, न्यूजीलैंड का फाइनल है, दरमियान में वो पाकिस्तानी टीम की तारीफ करना, इट्स बिट ऑड. सो हमें कम से कम थोड़ा सच बोलने दें प्लीज.
मैं एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे अथर पुलानी साहब. अगेन, the fact that we take these questions and we smile about them and we don't say anything about it, we do read these questions, we do read these comments, and मैं सिर्फ एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ. 2025 चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? 2025 चल रहा है। लेकिन इनको रिटायर हुए 30 साल हो गए हैं। दूसरे भी जितने 90s के क्रिकेटर्स हैं उनको भी रिटायर हुए 30 साल हो चले हैं। 30 साल जो लोग अपनी सर्विस दे के चले गए हैं, अभी आप आज के हालात को उनके साथ जोड़ रहे हैं। मतलब ये तो शुक्र है कि आप लोगों को हनीफ मोहम्मद या करदार साहब या उन लोगों का नहीं पता, वरना आप उनको भी कह रहे होते हैं कि 50 के क्रिकेटर्स ने क्या किया है आने वाली। इट डजंट मेक सेंस। इसको कहते हैं ट्रक की बत्ती के पीछे लगाना। जो लोग आपको ये चीज़ें बताते हैं और आपको इस तरफ घुमा देते हैं, वो आपको एक्चुअली डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द रियल प्रॉब्लम्स इन हैंड। द प्रॉब्लम्स एट हैंड आर इन द प्रेजेंट, दे आर नॉट इन द पास्ट। वो आज के मसले हैं। तो टीम की बेहतरी हम सबकी दुआ है। जो पाकिस्तानी फैन, I want my
No,
team
I
to do
have
really
lots
well.
to say about people who have been saying, but I don't want to
Don't
give
need
them
to say,
attention.
Wasim, but-
वो मेरी जिंदगी से निकल चुके हुए हैं। I have no, उनका तो
forget-
नाम भी नहीं लेना
I
चाहिए।
know. But I'm just saying is that अगर आपको as fans, मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ, गुजारिश करना चाहता हूँ, 2025 में है, 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25, Waqar has been here, you've been in with the team, Waqar and all that. The problems are in today's cricket board problems. They don't emanate के 90s वालों ने क्या किया, 70s में क्या हुआ था, 60s में क्या हुआ था। ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली वही बात है जो हम बदकिस्मती से पाकिस्तान की निज़ाम के बारे में भी सुनते हैं कि जी वो उन्होंने ये किया था, फलां ने ये किया था। दिस इज एक्चुअली अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन। डोंट फॉल फॉर इट। इस ट्रक की बत्ती के पीछे मत लगा करें। सवाल आपका बड़ा सिंपल होना चाहिए, आज क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है। अभी के लोगों को ये बात हमें बतानी चाहिए और जवाब देना चाहिए, और उनसे हमें सवाल पूछना चाहिए कि जनाब आपकी वॉच के ऊपर टीम के साथ ये हो रहा है, इतने सारे टूर्नामेंट्स में हम क्वालिफाई नहीं कर सके, इतने सारे टूर्नामेंट्स में बाहर हो गए और मुसलसल जो है प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं। सो दैट क्वेश्चन शुड बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम देम। ये बड़ा आसान है कि जो लोग गलती कर रहे हैं उनसे तो हम कोई पूछ नहीं रहा, तो जेड़ा 30 साल पहले सी उन्होंने कह रहे तू की किते। इट मेक्स नो सेंस। सो प्लीज आई जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट all of you out there, be a little kind and be a little more sensible in your questions and your criticism. You're welcome to criticize and we're more than happy to take it, but just be a little भाईजान मैं सारे सवाल भी कर रहा होता हूँ, जवाब भी दे रहा होता हूँ, तो आप लोग भी कुछ कर लिया करें। Meanwhile, while I'm talking, actually pick up a question that you might
देगा दे
नहीं,
बोलेगा
उसी
ना।
बोलो ना। नहीं, वो कुएं वाला कम सी वो कौन सुनाएगा आप में से?
कौन सा?
वो जो कुआं पानी खराब हो गया। नहीं आगे चलो, मिट्टी पाओ।
Okay, we have a lot of these questions coming in. Manzar Ilyas, Fakhar bhai, let me ask you everyone's questions. You've been asking everyone questions, but what was your favorite memory of this tournament and your disappointment of this tournament?
क्या बात है मंजर भाई, थैंक यू।
अपना रोजड़ा बुफे लग रहा सी।
Manzar Ilyas, thank you very much. For me, I think the best memory has been the DP World dressing room and sharing this space with them. But I think one of the best times that I would remember for a very long time was having Ravi Shastri here with us. Or Ravi bhai se jo baatcheet hui, jo gap lagi, I really enjoyed it. And as far as my disappointments are concerned, disappointment में मुझे एक नहीं बहुत सारी थी। एक ये कि साइम अयूब इंजर हो गए, दूसरी ये कि फ़खर जमान पहले दिन पहली बॉल के दूसरी बॉल पे इंजर हो गए, एंड थर्ड मुझे ये ख्वाहिश थी मेरी कि हम आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी पूरी तौर पे पाकिस्तान में होस्ट करते, सेमीफाइनल्स भी पाकिस्तान में होते और फाइनल्स भी पाकिस्तान में होता तो कमाल ही हो जाता। एंड दोज आर माय डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड दोज आर माय हाइलाइट्स राइट हियर।
फिर ये कहेंगे कि जी मैं ही सवाल करता हूँ, मैं ही जवाब देता हूँ।
तो मैं क्या
एडे-एडे
करूँ?
लंबे जवाब दोगे तो फिर ਅਸੀਂ कितने जावांगे?
चलो
पढ़ो, अगला सवाल पढ़ो।
साढ़े घर जाता वैसे भी टाइम हो गया, चलिए।
All right, folks. When we come back, we're going to announce a winner for today because we want to, we want to close the show.
I don't like
There's a lot of things to do here for the last time, and then of course we have to unbox the big truck here and see who is the winner of the leaderboard. And ball roke, oh ball. Oh, I like it. It's staying on the table. That's very fantastic. You know absolutely.
ऐसे ही
how-
थोड़ी जादूगर कहते थे, इस बॉल को ये हाथ से ऐसे घुमाया करते थे, जहाँ दिल जाती थी वहाँ गेंद जाती थी।
क्या बात
तो
है।
ये आज भी वही है टेबल पे।
All right.
ये तो मुश्किल वाली गल है, शेन वॉर्न ने बॉल सीखी ऐसी।
बता तो सही स्टोरी। वो बता दे ब्रेक से पहले।
बताया
जल्दी से।
था, I think we already
बताया
told
था।
the
Yeah, we've already heard that story. All right.
Okay.
But that's
ये
the
बॉल
ball.
मशीन ने क्या है, शेन वॉर्न नवा बॉल सीख रहे हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि उन्होंने कहा इस तरह बॉल सुटदा और पै के वापस आ जाता है। मैं कहा वापस क्यों दे, वापस हाथ च आ जाता है।
तो मैंने क्या कहा, मैं कहा क्यों लाटू चला रहे हैं?
लट्टू चल रहा था। All right, folks, with that, the truck is all set. We are going to be announcing the winner of hashtag Ask the Room for the one last time in this season. And then, of course, the leaderboard of our panelists who gets to open that container. And that ball is going to be dispatched by DP World to the winner. And with that, we're going to take a break for the one last time on the DP World dressing room. एक और ब्रेक लेने दो ले लेंगे आप किसी को हाँ जी
निखिल जी को hats off.
हाँ निखिल जी को hats off इन वाले को भी उन वाले को भी निखिल जी hats off yes all right with that it's time for the last break but
Time to go home.
no यार क्यों
नहीं
मेरा तो नहीं दिल चाह रहा
चलो, और करो।
वसीम भाई का बिल्कुल कोई मूड नहीं है अब यहाँ पे रहने का. But here's the thing. Let's bring in that leaderboard. It's very important that we bring out that leaderboard. ये जरा leaderboard देख लेते हैं हम लोग अपने expert predictions का. आज के बाद सूरत-ए-हाल कुछ इस तरीके से है कि it is Ajay Jadeja and Pujara ji that have won with 12 score. Nikhil Chopra with 11, Wasim bhai with 6 and Waqar Yunus with 5. Well done, gentlemen. Well played. So, Jaddu Paji, are you going to walk with me to that container over there? Because there's something
By the way,
very well
जद्दू ने
to do.
चीटिंग की है.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ?
ये देख के आया था.
कुछ भी नहीं देख के आया था. आया अंदर कुछ उनको पता ही नहीं था. कल हमने कुछ रखा ही नहीं हुआ था.
होने
नहीं, ये
मन्नी ना.
तो बटेगा.
ना मन्नी नहीं.
हाँ, मन्नी ना.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Come.
ये भी मैंने ले जाना है.
पास कर दे.
All right.
जी.
Let's go.
12 और 11.
You all set?
11.
We will do it right now before we go to the break.
मतलब कुछ सांप
We have
तो
to
नहीं
open
निकलेगा
this.
अंदर से. वसीम भाई का सांप निकले अंदर से.
हाँ, अंदर से सांप वाम नहीं निकलेगा.
हाँ, जी.
So, कुंडी खोली.
रख करके कर लो थोड़ा जा.
All right, there's no light, but that doesn't matter because we are just going to do. Jaddu Paji, come close.
हाँ जी.
Come here.
Jaddu, हाथ डाल इसके
Come
अंदर.
here. Sit down.
हाथ डाल.
मैंने तो भरोसा
Sit
नहीं है.
down. Sit down. Sit down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom! It's not done yet. All right, come on. You gotta help. You gotta help me because it's big.
Oh my
Container
God.
के अंदर
ओए,
एक और
ओए,
container.
ओए,
Yes.
अरे
Try इस साइड से keep going. Yeah. All right.
जड्डू ऐसे लिए तेरे जहाज कराना पड़ा है.
We got it. It's heavy. Yes.
My God.
क्या दे दिया उसको भाई.
आजो goodies are here.
Wow. So for the winner, this is what we have from DP World. We've got some fantastic merchandise. We've got the DP World headphones for you here. We've got the
Chubby
DP...
cat.
Oh, wow. We've got the DP World. What is this? Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's a high battery charger, basically, for you to go with.
Battery charger. Wasim bhai needs one at the moment.
There,
Charge his battery.
Thank you, buddy.
Here's a DP World speaker for you. Congratulations, Jaddu Paji.
I
because you've
think
done it.
Wiki needs the speaker because he's lost all his voice. और बताएं.
बस बाकी तू रख.
Here's a DP World. This is a tea set as a container, like a container from DP World. Well done. Congratulations.
I'll keep that.
Yes,
Every
you can.
morning
Yes,
I'll
every
have
day.
chai and remember you.
So you know that DP World also sponsors the McLaren Formula One McLaren team. This is the McLaren jacket that we have from DP World. So congratulations.
ये क्या
It has
इसके
a DP
बच्चे
World
के लिए
thing.
दी है?
Full size, sir. Extra large.
अच्छा, okay.
This is
ये पायलट के लिए काम आई.
DP World McLaren team hat signed by the McLaren driver itself, as you can see. So
Wow,
this is
that's
very
nice.
important.
This I will take.
Yes.
Yeah, you keep it. That's a good one.
तो
Then
मैं
We good.
we have the DP World McLaren team's driver's shirt, also signed by the driver right up front. You can
Oh,
see.
wow.
So this is also
तो ऐसे
signed by
दिखा रहा है
the
जैसे पंजाब
McLaren
में-
winning champion driver.
वरी दिखा
उधर उधर.
हाँ जी.
बरी कही दे.
वरी
ऐसे ने पंजाब की शादियां दे बरी नहीं दिखाई दी.
वरी वरी
बरी
Exactly
क्या
like
कहते हैं
that.
उसको?
वरी
All right.
बाकी सब ठीक है. McLaren गड्डी किथे है?
DP World backpack for you.
ये भी चाहिए था तुझे.
All right.
ये जरूरी है.
DP World golf shirt for you. Your size.
That's also you need
Congratulations.
one.
ये I think Wasim bhai should wear and play golf with us next
DP
time.
I will.
World.
I will.
Yeah.
DP World windbreaker for you while you're playing golf in cold places. Congratulations.
अभी रख ले बाद में देखते हैं कौन किसको क्या चाहिए.
DP World shirt when you're in the sweater when you're out in the winters. Congratulations, your size, well done. This is awesome, man. Even I'm liking this thing. Yes. Oh, okay, here we go. Look at that. This is another DP World. This is another golf. This is our. You can see this. There you go. Ki hai Janab ji, worldwide partner of the Ryder Cup. The Ryder Cup shirt, official.
Wow.
Official DP
I
World
know
Ryder Cup
who's going to
shirt.
enjoy this.
And finally, the most prized possession
नहीं नहीं.
थलियों को इसलिए
is this.
Wow.
Da-da-da. This is the McLaren F1 driver's helmet miniature signed
That's great.
by Oscar Piastri, the driver himself.
Wow.
So this is really nice. I can keep that for you if you want.
You can have that because you will appreciate it the most.
I will. Thank you very much. I really
And
appreciate
thank
it.
you. This wouldn't have been possible without you.
I know, absolutely. All right, folks.
you.
For the last time at the DP World dressing room this season,
Kaddu
this is the
katega,
last break.
sab mein
We'll see you
batega.
on the other side of the break. Welcome back to the DP World dressing room for the last time. You are watching 10 Sports and our final outing for this ICC Champions Trophy. Before the break, we unveiled the truck and Ajay Jadeja won all these fantastic DP World merchandise and prizes signed by the McLaren drivers. It's just fantastic that you got.
थोड़ा जब टेबल ते गंद पा लो ना तुझे दो में
चलिए
चलिए
वो क्या चल
क्या हो गया?
ਜਿਹੜੇ 15-18 ਦਿਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਖੁਆਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ
ਖੁਆਰ-
we get nothing, this is for all jaddu and all that.
No, but he's given.
You know, okay, fine.
वो तो
ऐसी-
वो उन्होंने पहले दिन से
ठीक है,
share
ऐसी
किया
we
था।
didn't win anything, but is that what it is?
Okay, just bati no.
You won hearts.
Wait.
You won hearts.
You won hearts. You won hearts.
So see, you stuck to your
ਸਾਨੂੰ
thing.
hearts ਤੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੈ।
Yes, you won hearts. See, this man never complains. Never.
वो
Never.
captain है साडे।
He only becomes kodababa.com after a certain period of time. That you know what. Chattopadhyay, congratulations, you did well.
Thank you.
Let me see if I can find them anything in this truck because this truck is big, right? It's a DP World truck. So we got to open this truck.
स्पीच होती है थैंक्सगिविंग स्पीच
It's all him.
Okay.
It's all him.
Let me see.
जो मैंने दिख रहे हैं ना
Okay, I need your help, Nikhil. I have to put you in. I'll hold your legs. You go inside. There's something at the end of the truck over there.
नहीं मेरी लता चुकवानी है
आप सिर्फ अंदर गए. Just crawl in a little bit. I'll hold your legs. I'll pull you out if need be.
नहीं मैं
Give me your hat.
जी
Yeah, go in. All the way in. Come on, Nikhil. Go. You can go in. Go. Nikhil, come on, Nikhil. Go, Nikhil. Go, Nikhil.
Oh, मैंने
All right,
distract
folks.
कर
We'll
रहे हो।
see you next year, right? No, I'm just kidding.
हैगा
Let's see.
ऐ रह गए
आए यहाँ पे लेके. Come. Yoo-hoo. Nikhil.
मैंने डिस्पैच कर रहे थे
I was dispatching you with DP World truck. Okay. All right, folks.
वाह।
आप आए. आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much. Jaddu Paji for you, Wasim, you, Nikhil Paji, you, and Vicky Paji, you. And from all of us at DP World, the DP World team, from Danny, his entire team, from our chairman, Sultan Ahmed bin Sulaim,
Yuvraj.
our CFO, Mr. Yuvraj Narayan, and everybody at DP World, we have basically decided we could पूरे ये ईद कार्ड आपके लिए मुबारक हो. अभी खोलिएगा नहीं इसको रुके. ये ईद कार्ड आपके लिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
दिवाली कार्ड।
ये ईद कार्ड आपके लिए जद्दू पाजी.
थैंक यू साहब
और ये वसीम भाई ये ईद कार्ड आपके लिए.
Thank you.
तो सिचुएशन ये है कि when Danny was on the show,
भाई वो ठीक है लेकिन हम टीम में तो 5 हैं
अभी तो ऐसे नहीं है ना. जब डैनी आया था तो वसीम भाई ने कहा था कि वी हैव अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन ओवर हियर. हम क्रिकेट की क्यों बात करते हैं, गोल्फ की क्यों नहीं बात करते. सो जेंटलमैन फ्रॉम डीपी वर्ल्ड, ईच वन ऑफ यू हैव रिसीव्ड ए फुल्ली प्रोफेशनल extremely high-end brand complete golf set.
Oh my
for
God.
which you will go, you will get your sizing, your fit out. Yes.
क्या बात कर रहे हो
You
भाई
can just hold it up, please. Hold it
Manni
up for the
na.
cameraman. Hold it up for the camera. So
Whoa, that's
congratulations.
nice.
Oh wow
You will get a complete golf set.
Beautiful.
Yep. This is, I'm told, in the vicinity of about $15,000 each, these golf sets. I had no idea golf is so expensive.
It is.
I had no idea. But so congratulations. So even though if you didn't win, you still won with the DP World group.
always
Thank you
available
very much.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Before
DP World.
we finish the show,
Yeah.
obviously I have to thank some people. But before that,
Yeah.
I think मैंने भी DP World से तू ही जानता है उनको, मैं भी जानता हूँ उन सबको. तो उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की थी, मैंने कहा फखर को भी हमने गोल्फ शुरू करानी है. तो फिर उन्होंने कहा अच्छा क्या चाहिए. मैंने कहा उसके बाद उसको हमने जहाज नहीं लेके देना छोटा वाला. इज अ स्पॉइल्ड ब्रैड निके जहाज चलाते रहते हैं इंजन करके अटावट अपाई. हमने कहा इसको भी हमने गोल्फ खिलानी है. तो ये आपके लिए भी जी गोल्फ सेट है.
Okay.
Congratulations. Now you have to play golf, buddy.
I have to play
Start
golf
now.
Yeah.
So between my airplanes and scuba diving and fishing, now I have to start golf. You have just fast-tracked me to my divorce.
Yes.
Basically. But thank you so much, Skip. I really
Beautiful.
appreciate it.
Yeah,
That's very kind of
thank you everyone.
That's very, very
so
sweet of you.
before you sign
Yeah.
off, can I say
Please
thank
go
you
ahead.
people?
All yours.
Yeah, सबसे पहले शुक्रिया अदा। बहुत सारे लोगों का ये शो इतना आसान नहीं था करना। यहाँ से आप समझ रहे हैं, जैसे आप कहते हैं उसको भी बुला लें, उसको भी बुला लें, ये भी कर लें। It's not that easy. I think behind the scenes there were 60 people who were working.
Yeah.
I start off with our staff, the caterers, जो चाय पिलाने वाले हैं, हमारे मेकअप वाली लड़की हैं, उन्होंने बड़ी मेहनत की है। एवरी डे आना, रमज़ान में आना, काम करना, उनका बहुत शुक्रिया था। फिर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली एपेक्स स्पोर्ट्स,
Yep.
जिन्होंने सारा, इमरान, जाहिद भाई, इन्होंने सारा, इनकी टीम में काल, यंग बॉय हु हैज़ बीन विद अस, इन सब ने मिलके ये शो जो हुआ है कामयाब, ये इनके पीछे है। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स आवर मेन स्पॉन्सर्स डीपी वर्ल्ड, दे हैव बीन एक्सेप्शनल ऑन एंड ऑफ द फील्ड। बड़ा ज़बरदस्त रहे हैं, बड़ा मैंने एंजॉय किया है, गॉट टू नो देम। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स अजय, my friend, my colleague, we had a great time, thank God कि आप आए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। Nikhil, thank you very much.
Thank you, Baji. Thank you so
Vicky,
much.
thank you as always. You have been
Anytime,
exceptional.
anytime.
You guys were exceptional, and of
Thank you,
course,
Baji.
one of the biggest hosts in the cricketing world or anything.
One of the
He is
biggest
best.
hosts.
Yeah. So well done, buddy. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
And most importantly,
job.
the people
Yeah.
who have watched this show and liked it. आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। All to you, Fakhar.
Thank you very much. Jadubaji, any parting words from you?
No, on behalf of, I take the privilege of, on behalf of both of us and from everyone from India, the love that's been poured in. I just want to thank you all for this platform, this opportunity that we could share. And if we've been able to bring even, change one person's mind, whether in India or in Pakistan, the mindset that we've had over the years, I just hope and pray that we've made this effort, we've enjoyed ourselves. It has been absolute pleasure.
Yeah.
But the most pleasure that I've got is I've met people on the streets in Dubai. I hope we've changed at least one person's mind, and we've added love and peace and respect to each other. And thank you for allowing us to do that, whether it's DP World, whether it's Apex Sports, everybody here in the team. I
Absolutely.
think that's been the biggest gain that we've had.
Yeah.
And from Jamnagar, where I come from, Bapu, we would like to send you something, but we would not like to,
that's-
talk about it.
Yeah.
But in your endeavor of sharing the kits around the world, there is something that we'd like to add to those kits.
That's amazing.
And that's a little contribution that comes
That's
from
amazing.
Jamnagar.
Thank you very much. That's very nice. Waqar, any parting words for you?
लोग जब आपको आखिर में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है ना बात करने की, तो एक्चुअली कुछ रह नहीं जाता होता।
चलें फिर ठीक है।
So,
निखिल,
ठहर
आप-
जाओ।
खुद ही आप बहन में दसो चलो
No, I think thanks everyone. I mean, simple as that. इसमें ज़्यादा लंबा
भाभी का
नहीं
शुक्रिया
करूँगा।
जरूर अदा करिएगा
वो कर देता है, वो काम हो चुका है, but very sweet people. Everyone we worked around. I mean, यहाँ पे आना और जिस तरीके से I think they took care of us. That was the key. Every day coming here, as वसीम भाई ने कहा ना, छोटे से लेके बड़े तक हर बंदे ने इज्जत भी, प्यार भी और इस शो को कामयाब करने के लिए हर बंदे ने इसमें एफर्ट डाली. So thank you everyone.
Everyone. Yeah, appreciate it. Nikhil?
First up, Wasim bhai, big thank you to Waqar bhai. इनको देखा जब फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे कि रोल मॉडल्स इनक्रेडिबल। अजय भैया के तो मैं तब से जानता हूँ जब से शॉर्ट्स पहनता था, जैसे सेम जगह प्रैक्टिस करते थे, बट टू शेयर and talk cricket with them, international cricket, it's been really, really special. Thanks to Apex Sports, Imran bhai, the way he's been able to get everything around, and of course, Bhaji, from the bottom of my heart, absolutely. I've had the honor of working around the world on different networks and everywhere, but the way you host the show, you're able to bring the best out of everyone. That's a special
no doubt in
talent.
that.
So going back with some really, really fond memories, and trust you me, these 2 weeks have been so special. ऐसा पहली बार ही हो रहा है शायद टूर से ना, बंदा कह रहा है यार खत्म हो गया, घर जा रहा है।
बस
बस.
You
And
miss-
special, moments with Waqar bhai on the golf course as well. Big thank you to every one of you.
All right, really appreciate it, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Folks, also, we've got to thank our director, Rahul. You've been fantastic. Thank you so much for your support. Well done. Mandir, one of our producers, he was with us till the semi-final. Unfortunately, there was a family tragedy. He had to leave. So, Mandir, thank you very much. You did a fantastic job. Himadri stepped up. So, Himadri, thank you very much for stepping up and contributing with this production. Apex Sports, of course, they are now making a mark. Thank you to them, to Zahid Noorani, to Imran Ahmed Khan, to Mikhail for making all of this possible and to putting up a really, really good show. To DP World, the entire team, as I said, to our chairman, Sultan Ahmed bin Sulaim, to our global CFO and deputy CEO, Yuvraj Narayan, and of course, our other team members, Danny, his entire team, Neeraj, Shiv, Arjun, thank you very much. Neeraj, it's his birthday today. Double celebration for him. India winning the Champions Trophy and him celebrating the birthday. So happy birthday to you, my friend. Well done. To our kitchen staff, to all the cameramen, to all the production team, as Wasim said earlier. And of course, amongst all of these people, all the drivers, the support staff, aap sabka bahut bahut shukriya. Let's give them all a very big round of applause. So well done, guys. Thank you very much for making it all happen.
They're all actually watching.
Yeah, they're all here. They're watching. It is the last day on that. And then on the parting note, I would like to thank Nikhil. Thank you very much. It has been an absolute delight, a pure joy to share the studio space with you. Your insight on the game of cricket has been just absolutely fantastic. Vicky bhai, like always, you've just been a joy to work with.
Thank you.
You know, I know the Razia joke. Please, I hope you don't mind.
No,
but you know,
love it.
it's always been a great.
Fun.
Of course, Jaddu Paji, thank you very much for आप आए, आपने join किया, अपने रंग बखेरे हमारे साथ यहाँ पर. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हम अदा करते हैं.
आपके प्यार के लिए शुक्रिया.
आपसे पहले इस कुर्सी, जी इस कुर्सी पे गुजारा भाई जो थे, नहीं भूले नहीं थे, मैंने लिखा हुआ था बहुत पहले से.
मैं भूल गया.
No, but he was here for 2 days to cover the gap for you. So, Puji Paji, wherever you are in India, thank you very much. You left a mark with us in the DP World dressing room. We missed you the moment you left. And, you know, you've been in our conversations ever since then, all the way till the end.
जब का वैसे पुजारा गया ना वापस, हमने वो पिच यूज
नहीं, दो तीन दफा की है छोटी-छोटी उस पे. वो जिस तरह पुजी ने की थी वैसे हम लोग नहीं कर सके थे. And finally, a very, very special thank you to the Sultan of Swing himself. Wasim, you know, are one of those special people, gifted human beings. Your sense of humor, चलें वो अपनी जगह है. Your outstanding, heroics in cricket, वो अपनी जगह है. Most importantly, you are an inspiration to a lot of young people and to a lot of my age group people, which are also young, by the way. But, you know, it is because, simply, why I say that. You take the punches, you keep smiling, you keep moving forward, and you keep saying, move forward, let's do better. Yeah. And one thing that I've seen with you is that you've always kept at improving things for yourself, improving yourself, learning more, and moving forward.
Learning never stops.
Learning never stops. So thank you very much for being here and always sharing this space. And all four of you, thank you for allowing me to take a lot of liberties that I did.
We had no choice. We had no choice.
You had really.
No, once Wasim bhai said we were stuck with you. You got to thank him.
मैं क्या बस कर दे पगले अब रुलाएगा क्या?
कल मिस करेंगे कि हम मैं इन चारों को जाके खिंचाई नहीं करूँगा.
But thank you very much again, all four of you. You've been just absolutely fantastic. To all the people watching around the world, thank you for your love, your appreciation, and your kind words. To all of you, नफरत फैलाने वाले, करने वाले बहुत से हैं, लेकिन नफरत करने के लिए बड़ी एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. प्यार, मोहब्बत, ये जो है ना बड़ी आसान चीज़ें होती हैं, ये इंसानी फितरत का असल हिस्सा है. नफरत नहीं है. So please, we have been created to do better things that we are doing on this planet by our Creator. Learn to be kind to each other. Learn to love each other, respect each other. We might have differences, and we will always have differences. But those differences do not mean that we just go on this crazy path of, oh no, everything is about hate and I don't accept this and that. Dialogue, talking, and always interacting and sharing spaces like this, sharing ideas. Sometimes ideas will clash, but that's fine. That's all part of life. And we as human beings are created better than that. So please be kind to each other and make sure you join us in the near future again. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, we thank you all for all the love and the support. And with that, boys, I'm going to miss you guys a lot.
Yes.
कुछ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से आंसू आ रहे हैं आंखों में।
नहीं, not really.
नहीं आ रहे। वो एक बात थी कहनी, 1 2 3 एक बिट गुलकंद, आज तो साड़ी दुकान बंद। Good night everyone.